Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review, first impressions of the brand M Boutique. They sent me 2 of their base shapers for handbags, but before I get into the full unboxing, review, all that good stuff, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so I said unboxing, so we will do a little unboxing because the box it came in is just so cute. So I already opened it. Anyways, I'll give you guys the full experience. Oh, it has this cute little girly pink tissue paper. And M Boutique is an Australian brand, and I believe they were founded in 2019, and they have so many cool shapers on their website. So I did get 2, one for my Chanel Jumbo and one for my Louis Vuitton Diane bag. But if you go online, they have so many different shapers for like literally every bag out there. And if they don't have your bag, you can also do a custom order. So really cool. But anyways, here's the little tissue paper. It has the little M Boutique sticker on it. It's so cute. A classic and classy. Love it. So go ahead and open this up. I just love a luxurious opening experience. And here are the shapers. So let's go ahead, pull out the shapers. So these are the 2 different sizes. Like I said, one's for my Louis Vuitton Diane bag, one for the Chanel Jumbo. I'm assuming the bigger one's for the Jumbo, smaller one for the LV bag. I also like how the Chanel Jumbo is in the maroon color because the inside of the bag is maroon. So that is like super thoughtful. Let's just jump into this one first. So I have my Chanel Jumbo, and the way I store this bag, I do have this like felt flap on it to help protect it, and then I have some stuffing in it. But honestly, having this shaper I think would be really helpful for just displaying it, holding it, and helping the bag keep its shape. So I'll go ahead and take off my little felt protector here, and then I do just have some stuffing that I use for it, and that's pretty much the bag. So I have some other things in here. Let's clean it out because you want obviously a clean bag to put the shaper in, since it's going to be the very bottom of your bag. I really don't have much. A couple hair ties, receipt, and then like I said, the maroon. She's really doing something here. She's really matching, and I think it's gonna look so good because, like I said, if you look at the actual inside of the bag, the bottom is maroon, and honestly, this shaper is really gonna also help keep it clean, I feel like, on the inside. And the Chanel Jumbo is honestly pretty soft around the sides of it, so this will really help with the integrity of the bag. Go ahead and open, again, the little sticker. So cute. We love a branded moment. I'm like kind of nervous. I'm like, is it actually gonna fit the size? I think it will. I have hope. So these are all made with genuine faux leather. You can see very high quality. It kind of has this kind of like grainy texture to it on the leather, which is really nice. And this is kind of like a set it and forget it kind of mentality where you just put it in, don't have to worry about it, and it keeps your bag looking nice. So go ahead, just slide this in to the bottom of my bag, and we'll go from there. All right, so here it is at, I don't know if you can tell, it's at the bottom of the bag. I don't know if you can like see it in there. But the maroon color really looks nice and blends in well, and it really just looks like part of the bag. Like that looks so good. What the heck? And it really does help the shape and the integrity on the bottom of this. Yeah, this is really neat. This is really nice. And then like the bottom of the bag stays clean. Yeah, I don't know how they did that, but they literally color matched this perfectly. It looks, again, so good. Like you can't even tell that it's in there on like looking in, but actually it's doing so much. So yeah, this looks like a win in my book, and yeah, went in really easy. Yeah, it just really helps. I can like kind of feel it when I'm holding it down here that there is some structure to it and some reinforcement. So Yeah, I really like that. Okay, I'm excited to put the other one in. I feel like the Chanel Jumbo is a little bit more structured than the Diane bag, so I'm curious to see how that looks. I guess I can give you guys like a nice before. You can see this is a little bit more slouchy of a style, so not as structured. Let's go ahead and clear this one out. Okay, so this is the inside on its own. This one does have a felt interior, so it's a little bit softer, it's a little bit more high maintenance because the felt, while it is really soft and nice, it is just a little bit more delicate than a leather interior. So I think this bottom is going to really help because this is a faux leather and will make it a little bit sturdier. Also, again, color match. This is, let me take it out of here, but this is like a really dark brown and just matches the inside perfectly. Like, wow. M Boutique, you guys are killing it with the color matching. So here's the dark brown, and again, it's that grained leather. Really, really nice quality. So I'll go ahead and just slide it in. Yeah, color match. Pretty good. Pretty good for a felt and a leather. So let's see. And then just pushing it down a little bit to make sure it's all the way in. And yeah, this is it with the little shaper inside. You can see, again, the color match is perfect. It's not like obvious that this is in here, and it just gives that nice solid bottom to your bag and just helps it feel also like a little bit more clean. If I need to like put something in here, I know I have some protective layer on the bottom. Structurally, this is really nice. Like I said, the bag is a little bit more slouchy, so seeing this with the shaper in, you can see how much that shape is actually holding. So that's really nice. But yeah, this is nice. It's lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel like it's weighing the bag down. That was also something I was a little worried about, that it was going to be kind of heavy, but it's not. It's actually quite light, although it's still really nice material. But yeah, I'm so impressed. This is like a little nifty, handy thing to have in your back pocket, to have for your bags. Yeah, so first impressions, I like it. I'm impressed. So yeah, that was my quick little unboxing and review of M Boutique and their bag shapers. Like I said, I am honestly quite impressed. I'm super impressed with just like the fit on each of the bags. Like, it literally fits perfectly. I think they look so good. Also, the color matching, I think that was so impressive as well. So yeah, just a really nice product, really, really good quality. Like I said, they do have shapers for so many bags online. So I will be sure to add a link down below to their website so you can check it out, shop it yourself. Like I said, they also do custom orders as well. So if you have a special bag that isn't one of the standard styles, send it out to them. They will make an order for you. The fit, the sizing on their standard bags though is so impressive. I mean, you just saw in the Louis Vuitton and the Chanel, she fit perfect, color perfect. So just really impressive and really thoughtful. Also, do not worry, I do have a discount code for you guys, so I'll be sharing that down below with the link to the website. So if you want to save some money when shopping, definitely check it out. Definitely use my code. Also, they do have free shipping on anything over $60, so take advantage of that. They are an Australian-based brand, but they do ship worldwide. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing review, first impressions, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. This is an amazing purse hack, so definitely share this out. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below. What do you think? Do you think a bag shaper is like a new revolutionary thing? Do you think it's fun? Do you think you would use one? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.